So let's talk about this 530% efficient. If you think of a gas furnace, a natural gas furnace that's more common here in Idaho per se, the max efficiency of those systems is around 96% efficient. So essentially that means you're burning the natural gas 4 to 6% of what you're burning goes up the flue pipe. And 96% of the energy that's being burned is able to put into the home. So the water source heat pumps at 530% are hugely more efficient because the heat pump is just moving energy from one location to another. And so if you're looking for a system to maximize efficiency, water source heat pump are currently the world's most efficient heating system. There will someday be something that's better, but I have a feeling the water source heat pump industry is also going to improve, make things better, and continue to become more efficient with inverter-driven compressors, inverter technology, and various things like that. So if you're looking for the most efficient heating system someone can have in their home, you need to look no further than a water source heat pump.